moving to the next. So this question already we have completed this and completed this, yeah. So at present we are here. Uses of ratios. This concept is very, very, very important and interesting. So one problem we have already done. A is to B equal to some value, B is to C equal to the other value, and those two will be there. So is my voice clear? Is my voice clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Yeah. So A is to B. So that is first ratio is A is to B, and N1, D1, all these are numerator and denominator. N stands for numerator, D stands for denominator. This is just a variable. For just your understandings I am just telling, right? So if this is the case, then B is to C is N2 and N2 and D2, and C is to D is N3, D3, and D is to E is N4, D4. If it is like this, then what is A is to B is to C is to D is to E? If it is like this, then it is very, very, very easy for you. N1, N2, N3, N4, all numerators. The last one is all denominators. First one is all numerators. Last term is all denominators. And next is 1D, all N's. So D1 into N2, N3, N4. So four variables should be multiplied in each and every case. So all numerators in first, all denominators in the last. So the second only 1D, all 3 numerators, and only 2Ds and 2 numerators, only 1 numerator and 2 and 3 denominators. So that is the case. If you understood, type CLR in the comment box. Because this is very, very easy to remember. That's why I just made like this. Okay. Sir. Yes, Mahbub Basha, tell me.
Sir, ఇక్కడ క్వాంటిటీస్ అనే వర్డ్ ఉంది కదా సార్.
యా.
అంటే క్వాంటిటీ అంటే యూనిట్ ఉండేదా లేకపోతే యూనిట్ ఉన్నా లేకపోతే క్వాంటిటీ అంటారు?
I am not getting you. 3 or more quantities అంటే ఏంటి అంటే A is to B అనేది ఒక రేషియో and it consists 2 quantities. B is to C is a ratio and it consists 2 quantities. B అనేది ఒక quantity, C అనేది ఒక quantity. దాన్ని quantities అంటాం. The ratio is nothing but comparison of 2 quantities అన్నాము. అదే రేషియో ఇక్కడ 2 or more 3 or more quantities ఉంటే ఎట్లా దాన్ని చేయాలి, బ్రిడ్జ్ లాగా దాన్ని ఎలా తీసుకోవాలి అన్నది పైన హెడ్డింగ్. Is that clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay, moving to the next. Yeah, this is at present question. A is to B is 3 is to 5. B is to C is 4 is to 7. And what is the ratio of the ages of A is to C? A is to C and adigaru kabatti. So the simplest answer here is the numerators and denominators, the first terms and the last terms. Idokkati multiply cheste chalu, because what we require is A is to C. We are nowhere related to B. So 3 into 4 enta? It's 12. No, Mahbub Basha, we won't require A is to B is to C. We require only A is to C, because the question is A and C, right? 12 is to 35. 12 is to 35. That's it. 12 is to 35. If it is clear, if it is very clear, type V in the comment box. If it is very clear, type V in the comment box. Very good. Moving to the next question. So A is to B is 4 is to 5. B is to C is 3 is to 7. C is to D is 6 is to 7. D is to E is 12 is to 7. So here at present question is A is to E, but I am asking few more questions. What is A is to B is to C? Yes? Yeah, it's 17. Yeah, it's 17. A is to B is to C is to question mark, and the other question B is to C is to D. And the other question, C is to D is to E. And the other question, A is to B is to C is to D is to E. So all these are questions. Okay. So just let me know what is the value for the first question. According to the question, A is to E. A is to E is very, very simple. A is to E is multiplying all first terms, multiplying all second terms. Because first term and the last term we can get very, very, very simple, and this can be a little complicated. This can be a little complicated. అంతేకాని ఇది చాలా సింపుల్. ఓకే. అండ్ దీంట్లో ఉన్నవి దాంట్లో ఉన్నదంతా క్యాన్సిల్ కూడా అవుతాయి. ఏమన్నా క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతాయి అంటే ఏం క్యాన్సిల్ కావట్లా. రైట్. జస్ట్ మల్టిప్లై 4 into 3 into 6 into 12, 5 into 7 into 7 into 17. Just let me know the values. Let me know the values. Very good. So it's 864 is to 4165. So A is 864 and E is 4165. And what about A is to B is to C? Okavela the questions. So this is second question, third question, fourth question and fifth question. ఈ క్వశ్చన్స్కి ఆన్సర్స్ ఎలా? ఏ ఇస్ టు బి ఇస్ టు సి అన్నామంటే ఫస్ట్ 3 చేయాలి. ఫస్ట్ 3 మాత్రమే. ఏ బి సి ఫస్ట్ సెకండ్ ఈ రెండు కంపేర్ చేస్తే చాలు. సో అండ్ ఫస్ట్ మల్టిప్లై చేస్తాం, ఇది క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లై చేస్తాం, ఈ రెండు మల్టిప్లై చేస్తాం. దట్స్ ఇట్. ఫస్ట్ 2 మల్టిప్లై చేస్తాం, ఈ రెండు మల్టిప్లై చేస్తాం, క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లై చేస్తాం. 4 3 times. What is the value? 4 3 times.
12.
Yeah, 12. And 5 3 times 15. 7 5 times 35. Answer over. So 12 is to 15 is to 35. Very, very, very simple. Right? And the other BCD అన్నాం అనుకోండి. BCD. సో ఈ రెండు కంపేర్ చేస్తే నాకు థర్డ్ క్వశ్చన్కి చేయగలుగుతా. ఫస్ట్ 2 చేస్తే సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్కి చేయగలుగుతా. సో BCD. So 6 3 times is how much? 6 3 times is how much? 6 3 times is 6 3 times. First 2 multiply చేయాలి. Yeah, it's 18. And 6 7 times 42. And 7 7 times. Very good Reshma, very good Yogita. Okay. C is to D is to E కావాలి. C is to D is to E అంటే you should compare these two. So again 6 12s 12 6 times. So C is to D is to E కావాలంటే first 2 multiply, next last 2 last దానికి multiply, cross multiply in the second term. So 12 6 times 72. Right. Is to and D 7 12 84. Very good Reshma. And 17 7 time 119. That's it. Very, very simple. And now A is to B is to C is to D is to E. So if this is the question, so what is A? A is very simple, product of all first 4. So it's 864 and the last E is 4165. So these two you already know. And B is to C is to D you should know. So B is to C is to D already a little you know, but more than that you require. So in B is to C is to D you just multiplied these two, and you require to multiply 12 and 5. Right? It's okay, we will do the first 5 and 3 into 6 into 12. So first 5 multiplied with first 5 times 3 times 6 times 12 will be, you will get B. And next what will be C? C is 5 times 7 times 6 times 12. So you will get C. Next D is 5 times 7 times, 7 times, and last is 12 into 12. So you will get D. So like that you will get all the values. So just let me know what is 5 times 3 times 6 times 12. What is the value? Value please. Yes, Reshma, it's 1080. So 1080. What about C? 5 times 7 times 6 times 12. So Sadik, Reshma, Yogita, it's 2520. 2520. And what about 5 times 7 times 7 times 12? Yeah, Sadik, 2946. 2946. 2946. So now it's 864 and 1080 and 2520 and 2946 and 4161. So this is the final ratio of A is to B is to D is to E. So like that you can able to calculate very faster, very easier. Even then it is a very difficult question, but the numbers also will make you break. So is that 2940? Wait, 7 7 49 60. Yeah, it's a 0. Yeah, 2940. So if it is clear, CLR in the comment box. Any question can be asked in the exam and you are there to calculate. So any question you can calculate, any question, and in future it might get like this. So the questions may be like this, like 2 times A is to 3 times B is to 4 times C. Even then you can calculate. So future lo ila kuda questions undachu. Then no issues, not at all an issue. You can calculate in a easy way. A value to 3B, A ku B ku compare cheskondi. A ku B ku compare cheskondi. A is to B is to C. Yes. Then from that ఈ క్వశ్చన్ సాల్వ్ చేయాలి. ఫ్రమ్ దట్ ఈ క్వశ్చన్ సాల్వ్ చేయాలి. ఎందుకంటే 2 times A అంటే యూ షుడ్ నాట్ మల్టిప్లై జస్ట్ 2 times ఏ వాల్యూ తీసుకోకూడదు. A is to B is to C తీసుకొని ద వాల్యూస్ యూ షుడ్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ హియర్ టు గెట్ 2 times A, 3 times B and 4 times C. సో 12 2 times 24, 3 times 15 45 and 4 times 35 it's 140. సో ఈ విధంగా క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది. సో వెరీ వెరీ సింపుల్. ఇన్ ఫ్యూచర్లో మీకు కొత్తగా వచ్చినా కూడా ఇవి చేయగలుగుతారు. ఇఫ్ యూ ఆర్ క్లియర్ అండ్ యూ కెన్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్, దెన్ టైప్ A in the comment box. A in the comment box.